Hey guys. Oh shit. So this is my first okay, redo. I'll cut that out. Okay, this is my first, what do you call it, vlog or vlog? It's my first vlog. I haven't YouTubed in a long time. I think I was like a teenager when I did last time. And now I have 2 kids and I'm 20 pounds more heavier, but dile hi a la cámara. Oh, this is Cielo, my baby. And then this is my older daughter, my main. What's your name? Delia, okay. And me, Nancy. And sorry, my daughter's staring at me over here. I just wanted to make a video. It's a Moana / Hawaiian theme party, birthday party for both my daughters. So yes guys, I did get most of my stuff from Dollar Tree, and then the other few stuff I got it from the 99-cent store. You'd be surprised what you can actually find in those stores, like cute stuff for parties, and you don't have to spend a lot of money. So this is mostly for people like on a budget. So yeah, and I use these little pom-poms. This is what's going to be used for, I think her name is Tahiti. I could be wrong. Sorry if I pronounced it wrong, but this is the pom-poms. You can get these at the Dollar Tree, and it comes with 6 of these pom-poms for $1. I got the little ones, and this is what it kind of looks like. I just did it really fast. Table covers, these are a lot cheaper than buying them at Walmart. They're just literally $1. And I got colorful ones. I got a red one, pink one, and a green one. So for the party favors, I'm going to be making some little pineapples since it is kind of like a Hawaiian theme. I bought these yellow cups from Dollar Store. So I'll be doing that, and I'll be putting like Sharpie lines on them, and then use some tissue paper, green one, to put the candy inside of it. I will show you guys a picture of what it looks like afterwards. This part, we'll be making the goodie bags. So what you're going to do is you're going to grab the desired candy you like and put it into the green tissue, and actually put the green tissue in the cup. After that, what I recommend is getting some, I'm not sure what they're called, but you can find them at the produce store where you get like your fruits and stuff, and you'll get that and actually use that to tie the tissue paper. So once you tie your tissue paper, you can arrange it how you want so it can actually look cute from the top. Don't be like me who left it for the last minute. I literally did it like a couple of hours before the party started, so my pineapples did not look that cute. These right here, these Hawaiian skirts, these were actually purchased at a 99-cent store. They're pretty long. I got about 6 packets, so 6 of these. So what I'm doing right now is I'm actually gluing the hula skirts. So we just opened up the packages, spread it out. And right here, I actually used duct tape and glue, which is the E6000 glue. So I'm hoping that'll stick, and then I'm going to show you guys what it looks like once it's all finished. Another little tip, guys, I've been using the tape to kind of like stick it like this to the edges, just so that since I don't really have anyone to help me out while holding the glue together, and in the morning I'll be taking the duct tape off. Continuing with the Tahiti that I'm going to be making, you will be needing, I don't have it pictured or in the video, but you will be needing like a savana. I'm not sure what you call that in English, maybe like a blanket, but not a heavy one. I will be using this. You can also get this at the Dollar Store for like, I think 69 cents, I believe. Very cheap, definitely less than 80 cents, and I got 2 black ones. So I'll be using these to make like her mouth, her ears, her nose, her eyebrows, and then this I'll be using them to make big leaves. Okay, so with the poster boards that I mentioned earlier, I used that poster board to make some leaves with this. So you literally just cut it up however you like. I just did different shapes and sizes, and just to make something cute to put on the walls for decoration. Alright guys, so this will be the hardest part, but you will need something green. So I chose a green little blanket. You can do whatever you like. But what you're going to do next is you're going to get your black poster board, and you're going to cut shapes of eyebrows, eyes, nose, mouth, and you're just going to glue it onto your blanket or paper, whatever it is that you decide to use. What you can do next is you actually can put balloons on top of her head, like if you're making like a flower crown pretty much. You can add flowers to it. I used just balloons and green pom-poms, and it came out really cute. One last thing I forgot to mention, guys, is that I actually got that inflatable palm tree at Dollar Tree as well. Super cute.
I also got these at the dollar store, $1 each. They're really pretty and they're like really cute, so it goes with like the whole Hawaiian theme. So this is my outfit. You probably can't really see, but it's just like a regular t-shirt and a scarf. It's like a Hawaiian print scarf that I used. No.
Do you want me to?
Slowly, baby, because you remember everyone else has to break it too.
Dale, dale, dale. Let's go.
Camino. El tiempo se acabó. All right, there.
Sorry, anyway. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Delia.
Anthony, get close to them too. Nelly, look this way. 1, 2, 3. I feel the light on me.
Mommy, can I find my cake?
Yeah, wait, baby.
Okay, you're gonna have to wait, okay?
I can't get both you guys at the time, so.
Not yet.
This is our smash cake.
Nancy, you have to come over here so I can see you.
Wow. Okay, ready? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Cielo. Happy birthday to you. And I want you to sing.
Somebody get in there. Mmm, yummy. Wow.
I'm gonna take a picture. Tight little corner.
That makes no sense. Like sugar. Like sugar. But if it was sugar, how am I gonna cut my cake and you would be
Yeah, we're waiting for the knife, baby.